Hi, I'm Ravi. In this session, we will check few string manipulation methods. So my string would be Python string manipulation methods, and my string assigned to text variable is learn with Ravi. Here we're going to discuss few methods. First is length, second is upper, third is lower, fourth is title, fifth is swap case. Sixth would be capitalize methods. So first method, length function to print number of characters in a string and apply this to a text variable where text contains a string. Now, how do you do that? Print length of text. Check in interpreter mode. To go to interpreter mode in Python, go to command prompt, type Python, it will launch interpreter mode. So first, provide the string here in interpreter mode, map to text variable. Now check length function to print a number of characters in string. This includes spaces between words within the string. Next would be, we'll check upper function to convert string characters into uppercase. Applied here, print text dot upper function. Check here. Similarly, if I want to do it for lower also, for lower, convert string characters into lowercase. So here instead of upper, I'll replace it with lower. Okay, check uppercase first. So it will convert all characters into uppercase in a string. Next would be lower. It will convert all characters into lowercase in the string. Next is title. For title method, converts the first character to uppercase and the rest of the characters to lowercase. Check print text dot title. Check here. There you go. So you can see in a string it has 3 words. Initially, whatever original string contain, the second word W is in small letter. So here, when I apply title method, it converts first characters of each word within the string to the uppercase. Okay, that's with the title function. So next one would be swap case, converts case of all characters in the string to uppercase, converts all to uppercase to lowercase and vice versa. Meaning converts all lowercase characters to uppercase and vice versa. Meaning if a character is uppercase in original string, it will be converted to lowercase, and if a character is in lowercase in original string, it will be converted to uppercase. Check print text print text dot swap case method check. So the reason why I used print text is to check original text first and converted text. You can see here L in original string is capital. Here it is converted to lowercase. Rest of the characters in learn or in original it is in small letters. Converted it is in capital letter. Likewise with other strings as well, other characters in the string. So next would be capitalize. Capitalize. Convert the first character of a string to uppercase. Okay, check here. It will be capitalize. Check now. So let me apply print original, then converted using capitalize function. Check here. You can see in the entire string, okay, only first character is converted to capital. Rest are all converted to small letters if it is capital in original string. Okay, thank you.